Oh shit, I lost my bolt screw here.
Hello my friends, Vladimir's here and welcome to my channel. And today's video is about Mr. Bong. Do you remember the guy whom I called to make an oil change, and he said that he moved to Bangbaebon, and this link to this video will be here. He and his friend Dan Kim opened a new motorcycle shop in Seocho-gu area, which is close to Gangnam-gu district in Seoul. They both fluent in English and very friendly and socially open.
Motorcycle was previously maintained by Mr. Takahashi-san. He's a Japanese motorcycle specialist who's in Korea. Well, who was in Korea. Basically for all motorcycles, he's one of the best mechanics in Korea. So. Right there.
Royal Classic Motorcycle Shop sells boots, accessories, clothes, helmets and other stuff, and they also sell Italian classy look scooters Modena. Mr. Bong is experienced mechanic. He's very familiar with Royal Enfield motorcycles and its genuine issues, and shared with me some technical tricks and even made some maintenance here and there free of charge.
This is just to basically protect your original parts, that's it. Not kind of cosmetics, but you know, once you lose your original parts, it's a little bit, especially these parts, you know, it's kind of what you call it. I don't want to pay for it, but then, you know. Or it's gonna get rusted and then you're not gonna be able to pull it over. What's also happening is this one, this angle should actually be like this. Because if you got water on here, then it stays there. You're gonna have later problems with this line. Also gonna add this a little bit. And you'll have to move this a little bit higher. Here may look a little bit less better, but much more better for the motorcycle. So give it a wide kind of circle angle so it doesn't have any tear and wear.
Thank you, Mr. Bong, for your advices and maintenance. I think that Royal Enfield Himalayan lost its genuine Royal Enfield deep sound of one-cylinder thumper. Mr. Bong offered me to check out Red Rooster Exhaust on my Himalayan.
포장해놔야지 나중에 소리만 들려도 이거.
Originally, how much does it cost?
Normally this one?
Yes.
Need to check. I think it was something around 30만 원 or something like that. To be honest, this is not the so-called what you find on the internet, because the ones on the internet, they're a little bit different with these, because for the Red Roosters imported in Korea, I asked some specific changes to the Red Rooster company and they made it just for me. The original one's a little bit problem.
Has a problem? And this one?
This one is fully adaptable to the Korean so-called registration, because basically it's what's it? It was specially made for Korea.
Did I buy Red Rooster Exhaust? Nope, I didn't, because it was my first time dealing with a free-flowing exhaust pipe, and I don't make spontaneous purchases usually, so I have to think twice. By the way, sorry for sound quality of the exhaust system, because there was a lot of traffic noise, and mics built into the camera are not perfect, and they just cutting the low band and increasing the high frequencies. So I guess it's not the perfect sound of Red Rooster Exhaust. I'll do some quality sounds recording of this pipe if I buy it. And that's my bolt screw coming back. Thank you, Mr. Bong, for your maintenance and testing Red Rooster Exhaust. And guys and girls, I have something in the future video. I will reveal that. This is the parcel I got from Denmark. If you guys know what is it, please leave in the comment section below, and I will reveal that in the next videos, probably not in the next, but after the next one, second one. We will check it out. It's the very great products. And yes, that's it for today, guys and girls, and if you like this video, please give big thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Peace.